Hello, everyone. Let's talk about Bitcoin. So, we do have ourselves an upward trend, as described in the prior video. Congratulations on the new all-time high. But we do have a very tapered trend on the daily chart, right? We don't have a significant new expansion to define our longest overexpanded period. However, if we drop ourselves down to the 8-hour chart, we do paint ourselves a bit of a different picture. Beautiful. See how much more clean this is? A nice solid line we're staying on top of, and that's what we like to see. We did briefly, well, let's zoom in closer to that because that's interesting. Small bit of price action directly on the line, tagging the bottom CLCP, but trend sustains. So we have 160 period. As long as we're above that 1.25 standard deviation, price will continue trending up. Guess what? If we load the 260 period, third standard deviation, 263, what do we get? The local high of our trend. So very clean. Yeah, Bitcoin's going up, and as long as we're above that pivot defined on the 8-hour chart, it looks good. Now, I am going to be cycling down the Vietnamese coastline this month, so I'm giving you one last video before I start. Taking a look at your questions, let's take a look at Ethereum. Yeah, long-term downward trend, fine. Lower chart, we have very nice clean active expansion, and now we're in active mean inversion. If you would like to short Ethereum, here is not a bad spot to do so. The target of the 180 moving average. So that there. Beautiful. Next up, let's take a look at ADA. Probably don't have anything to say about this. I do not. Very neutral price action. Let's take a look at Link. Link tends to be very cyclical. If you want to bet that price will double, go ahead. There's just not really any technicals to back that up, other than the fact that Link is very volatile, and we tend to be at the lower edge of that range, so give it a try. Next up, let's take a look at ARKM. ARKM, ETC. If this has the Satoshi range in the tens, I'm going to be upset. Nope. Fascinating. Do we have compression? We have volatility overhead. I don't like this. Yeah, we have a very big, long compressionary range, and we have no implied direction. So, not fun to play. Next up, let's take a look at Atom. ATOM BTC. I don't know what you want me to say here, man. Heavily decreased volume. Yeah. Unless you get a really nice confluence of technicals, this is not looking good. Okay. I think that's it. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.